Gangaikonda Cholapuram is located at Tanjore in Tamil Nadu. In the early 11th century, the temple got built by Rajendra Chola, son of Rajaraja Chola, after his victorious march to river Ganga on northern India. Gangaikonda Cholapuram is regarded as the reproduction of Brihadisvara Temple that was built by Rajaraja Chola. The superb architecture of the temple boasts of a 9-story vimanam that extends to the height of 185 feet. Facing the east direction, Gangaikonda Cholapuram embraces incredible sculptures and carvings. The temple was surrounded by a huge fort-like wall. The outer wall, largely destroyed during the English rule to reuse the building material for constructing the Lower Anicut, the dam built across river Kollidam. The Vimana, with its recessed corners and upward movement, presents a striking contrast to the straight-sided pyramidal tower of Tanjore. As it rises to a height of 160 feet, shorter than the Tanjore tower, and often described as the feminine counterpart of the Tanjore temple. The Vimana is flanked on either side by small temples. The sanctum sanctorum of the temple is a 4-meter-high lingam. The sanctum is surrounded by two walls, the inner and outer, providing worship area for the royal family. The Shivalinga in the temple is the biggest in size among the lingas in Tamil Nadu temples. This is made of single limestone 200 meters far from the sanctum sanctorum and placed on ground. Sunlight falls on the Nandi each day, reflecting on the linga. Even if all lights in the sanctum are put off, devotees can see the Lord in the sunlight. One small Nandi also in front of the big Nandi. The sculptures erected here are as artistic as found in any other temples of Cholas. The most interesting are Nataraja, Shiva in the form of a cosmic dancer, Ardhanarishwar, the man-woman manifestation of Lord Shiva, and Coronation of King Rajendra Chola by Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. In the northeast, a well called Lion Well, simhakeni, with the lion figure guarding its steps. According to tradition, Rajendra poured a part of the Ganges water brought from his famous expedition into the well to sanctify it.